The library has access to platforms where you can search just for ebooks. To find a list of these, go to the library's Databases tab and then go to the ebook platform section. Click on ebook platforms. For each platform, you will find a brief description which explains what it contains and whether the ebooks focus on a particular subject or topic. This platform, for example, will only show you ebooks from the publisher Taylor and Francis, but will have access to many different topics and subjects. Click on the platform you want to explore. You may be prompted to log in using your Warwick ID and password. Once you are on the platform, you can start looking for the topic you are interested in. Don't forget that while every ebook platform will look a little different, most will allow you to browse by subject or enter your search terms. For example, once you access the Taylor and Francis platform, you can either search for keywords, author and title in the search bar, or scroll down and browse by subject. Similarly, on the Oxford Scholarship Online, you have a search bar at the top, and then you can also browse by subject. You may find that you don't have access to everything on an ebook platform. This is because, unlike using library search, where your results will only show ebooks subscribed to by the library, this platform will show you all of their content. If you are struggling to access an ebook, you need to contact your academic support librarian. If you have any questions about ebooks, don't forget you can just ask the library by emailing us or contacting us on social media.